Do you also feel I want to speak English, but I don't have anyone to speak with? I had the same problem. No partner, no environment, nothing. But I started speaking, and today I'm improving alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can practice English alone, step by step.
3, 2, 1.
Honestly, this was my biggest excuse. I don't have anyone to talk with. Friends speak in Hindi. Neighbors speak in Hindi. Family also in Hindi. So I kept waiting. But one day I realized something very important. If I keep waiting for a partner, I will never start. First thing I started doing is talking to myself in English. Yes, it may sound funny, but it really works. For example, what I'm doing right now. I'm recording myself and then I will start my work. At the beginning, I felt awkward, but slowly my mind started thinking in English. You don't need a partner. You just need a habit. Second thing I did, mirror practice. I stood in front of mirror and spoke for 2 to 3 minutes. Topics like my day, my work, my goals. Why mirror? Because you see your expression, you gain confidence, you improve your body language. At first, I couldn't speak for 30 seconds, but now I can speak much longer. Third technique, very popular. Listen and repeat. I started watching simple English videos and then I copied how they speak. Not just word, their tone, speed, pronunciation. For example, watch videos, pause, and then repeat sentences. This improved my confidence a lot. This changed everything for me. Start thinking in English. Instead of मैं क्या बोलूं, start what should I say? Small thoughts. I am hungry. I need to go out. This is very easy. And slowly your brain switches your language. You don't need hours. You need consistency. Just 10 minutes daily. Break it like 3 minutes self-talk, 3 minute mirror talk, 4 minute listening and repeating. That's it. A small daily practice beats long irregular practice. Let me be honest, I still make mistakes, but now I don't stop. Earlier, I was afraid of mistakes, but now I speak despite mistakes. If you are waiting for perfect English, perfect grammar, or perfect partner, then you will wait forever. Start alone, improve daily. If you don't have anyone to practice with, comment alone but learning. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe because I'm also learning just like you. Remember this, you don't need people to start. You just need courage. Let's improve together. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.